Hello YouTube, I got more Loomian Legacy news here. From the official Llama Train studio and Trader, we recently decided that the Separate City release will not be ready in time for Friday. Sorry about that, but yeah, I'm sorry about that guys, went on Friday, but instead it will either be this Saturday or Sunday. Will announce exactly when the release will be, when we know for certain. They're also sorry, and they're sorry about the inconvenience. I'm fine with it. I know from Discord that they want, from reading on Discord, they want for everything to be like perfect, no bugs. They're really trying to polish it up so where it's not all crashy with anything, and that I want. I don't want any bugs with the update, so yeah, and just calm down, toxic people. I still don't like when the community gets like that. The devs are working very hard on this game. Knowing about, I seen toxic people online posting on Twitter anywhere, and I really don't like it because the devs work really hard on the game. I left that comment for them. That's my comment. I left one more reply after that. I sadly couldn't edit my post. There was a bit of a misspelling from typing too fast when spelling the word day, but well, they have been working very hard, but and form up when they are good and ready. So start with the basics of the devs are humans, plus they got very important lives and families to take care of. This virus does not make things any easier, so give the devs a break. I'm saying that on behalf of the devs. I wish the developers of Loomian Legacy well. Even though I'm a very impatient person, I will wait and not get too toxic with the devs if I have. I will never go to get too toxic because that's just mean, and the devs are working very hard. Especially with this dumb virus that is around. He'll always support Loomian Legacy no matter what. And I'll never get very toxic with them. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.